Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by deciding scale and silhouette because proportions determine stability and range of motion. Start the armature with a spine and limb cores using 1. 2. 0 mm wire for balance. Reinforce joints with wrapped epoxy or ball joints where smooth rotation is needed. Once done, bulk limbs with foam or aluminum foil wrapped tightly, then tape. This keeps weight low and holds poses. Make sure to mount the pelvis to a threaded rod or strong base plate early so you have a fixed anchor for animation. Now shape the character by adding foam layers to build muscle and volume. Carve progressively finer contours so cloth and skin read well on camera. Apply soft polymer clay for delicate parts like hands and face. If baking is required, add these as removable pieces or use 2-part epoxy putty for on-armature curing. Once done, fit friction washers, rubber pads, or silicone at joints to increase bite. Test full range of motion repeatedly and adjust wire tension so the puppet holds poses without springing back. Finish by dressing the character in lightweight, slightly stretchy clothes that won't bind joints. Reinforce seams where movement stresses fabric. Rig the puppet to a base or articulating arm and perform 10-20 test frames of key motions to verify balance and silhouette under the intended camera framing. Once done, lock camera exposure and white balance so lighting stays consistent. If things go wrong, tighten loose joints, add small internal ballast for stability, and isolate the rig from the set to eliminate vibration before you resume shooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.